Hello crafters, thank you all for loving our Christmas shaker ornament so much. As many of you wanted the detailed step-by-step tutorial for it, here it is. So let's get started with some shaker fun. The shaker elements usually come in 3 to 4 layers and one acetate sheet. The base layer is the solid one, which is then covered with the pre-cut 3 layers and acetate sheet. We will use the base layer first. Select the paper that you wish to decoupage on it. Decide its placement by placing the shaker window on it. Lightly create a crease on two opposite sides, which will work as a template. Place the solid base layer at the back of the printed side. Apply some Mod Podge one portion at a time and then place the paper on it. Similarly, do the other portion. Cover all the area with Mod Podge or else the non-Mod Podged areas will create air bubbles later. Smooth it out with the help of a discarded card. Sand the unwanted portion using the 18 number sandpaper. As the shaker element is very thin, it was not possible to sand it by holding it in the hand like we do for other products. So I placed it at the edge of my work surface and then sanded it. Sand all the sides like this. After sanding the complete surface, clean it with a cloth and then apply one layer of thin Mod Podge and let it dry. Similarly, decoupage the base layer of all the shaker elements with the decoupage paper by Kraftculture. Sand the unwanted area with the sandpaper. Apply one layer of Mod Podge and let it dry. While doing these projects, I figured a less struggling way of removing the unwanted paper. Just flip the Mod Podged area and cut out the excess using a Sharpie. How easy is that? I wonder why I didn't think about it before. It's neater, much faster, and a less messy technique. Once the first layer has dried, apply another layer of thin Mod Podge and let it dry. Color the topmost layer of the Christmas ornaments using the recently launched Shimmer paste by Kraftculture. For the Christmas tree, I am using the Christmas tree shimmer paste. As I wanted to add the shimmery Christmassy factor, I will be using shimmer paste to cover all the elements. It's very easy to apply with the finger as it gives you more control. However, if you do not have shimmer paste, you can paint it with any medium like paints and inks. I am using the granule paste by Craftyscarppers to give the house a very snowy effect. If you do not have this, you can use any white paint to give the similar effect. The name of the shimmer paste that I have used are given in the description box below. Now take the other two shaker parts and adhere them using any craft glue. Now adhere them onto the base. Once the base is dry, put the sequins in the middle. Make sure to put it in every pocket. Once you're happy with it, adhere the acetate sheet with the glue and then adhere the topmost layer on it. Be careful and apply just little glue as the surface area is less. When you press the layers together, the glue will spread. If you apply too much glue, it will start overflowing and leave glue marks and make your project tacky and make the shaker elements stick to the surface. I will show you how I did it once again so that you understand all the steps clearly. I have repeated all the steps for all the other elements. When dry, use the jute thread by Craftyscrappers to form the hanging part and your shaker elements are ready to decorate a Christmas tree. I simply loved the way these turned out to be and couldn't stop playing with them. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.